Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. Right now 10 a.m. and today here again see this is a shocking in the market. So we must know why it happened. So basically market was running an uptrend and price open a gap down, again push up. So why this gap down, why this happened? So we must know one thing. You always remember, when you have seen this type of shocking, ask yourself why it happened. We know the market is running an uptrend, but question is there, is it going to change the trend or is it ending? To find out this answer, we must know who moves the market this type of movement. Definitely, it's doing by the big boys, not retail trader. They cannot do that. So we must know why big boys are doing this. So everybody knows that big boys trade based on fundamental event, that is economic, based on economic. So why it happened? To get this information or get this answer, let's check the economic data. So let's see what news yesterday, what basis market moved this type of. So one here I can see most important news initially jobless claim that was previous to 30K and forecasting 240K, but results shocking result, that is more than expected, more than forecast, that is 242K. That is why market gap down. All right, so according to this news, only this news cannot change the trend. Let me show you one thing. Today going to release, this is today, let me show you today. And most important two news are here. One is unemployment rate and another non-farm payroll. If both news comes negative, so we expecting that market trend will completely change. Okay, so if this news positive, so I think this movement is panic. It's not going to change. All right. So today I hope market will be a little bit sideways. So that is why my trading strategy, like I'll trade both side, like call and put when I'll get the opportunity. But my ratio will be very low, 1:2 to 1:3. Ideally I place 1:4, but today I'll place 1:2 or 1:3, not more than, and I will use less capital, less lot. All right. Thanks for giving your valuable time.